Hey guys, in this short video you will learn how can you turn on dark mode in WhatsApp. So make sure you watch the video till end so you understand each and every step. So let's start the video. You have to open your WhatsApp. As you can see, the light mode is applied. So if you want to change it into dark mode, you have to click on these three dots and then click on settings. Just click on this chat option which is given on the fourth, and now you can see this page will open when you click the chat option. Here you have to click on this theme option. If you want to put it on dark, just click on this dark option. Now tap OK. As you can see, dark theme is applied in whole WhatsApp. So if you like the video, if this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon